United Airlines is making a comeback, and this time, they're not doing it alone. That's right, United is teaming up with JetBlue in a bold new move that's shaking up the airline industry. They've just announced a fresh partnership called BlueSky. And yes, it's as ambitious as it sounds. This deal allows both airlines to sell seats on each other's flights. Book a JetBlue ticket, fly United. Fly United, earn JetBlue points. Loyalty just got a serious upgrade. Frequent flyer perks? Oh, you bet. Priority boarding. Extra legroom. Elite treatment across both airlines. And here's the big one. United is finally returning to JFK Airport in New York. Yes, again. After years of being away, United's long-awaited comeback to JFK is set to happen as early as 2027, and it's all thanks to JetBlue. Why now? JetBlue's been on the hunt for a strong ally to take on the big players, and who better than United? On the flip side, United CEO Scott Kirby has had one eye on JFK for years. Now, he's finally getting his wish. But there's more. This partnership isn't just about New York. Together, JetBlue and United are planning to dominate Boston, stretch further into Florida, and expand across the Caribbean. JetBlue brings the tropical routes. United brings global connections. Together, they're aiming to be unbeatable. Kirby said it best. This makes both airlines stronger. Now, don't confuse this with JetBlue's past deal with American Airlines, the one that got shot down in court. This isn't about coordinating every flight. It's about giving customers more options, more flexibility, and more value. And after JetBlue's failed attempt to buy Spirit Airlines last year, this move is a strategic pivot, and a smart one. JetBlue's CEO called it a bold step forward, and it is. Two customer-focused airlines, joining forces, creating something bigger. And while the deal still needs regulatory approval, the first changes could roll out as soon as this fall. No price tag has been revealed yet. But one thing is clear. The skies are about to get bluer, and a whole lot more connected. Stay tuned.